Let me go through a few of my garments to be, just showing you how I filter stuff. You have to pull everything together that you might want to use. So let's look at this pretty t-shirt that I just recently found at the discount store. Again, I buy it a size too big, but let's look at this. This is a bright, intense color. So as I look at these ties, this is a little more soft, whereas this silk goes with this tie. This doesn't have the intensity that the background has. So I would eliminate these two, but this Liberty of London tie seems to have the powerful intensity to the color. I really like it. Then look how this stronger silk du peony ties in. I take a dive into my yarns, into my fabric stash, maybe even some silk for some fullness at the bottom. So can you see how this can be a great new ties and tees top? I can't wait to work on that one. Let's look at some more ties. Again, here I have some t-shirts that I bought recently at the discount store. This one was just $5. And I always shop at the men's department. I don't know why, I just find better fabrics at the men's department. So then looking at my ties, let's just evaluate these. I see the stripes really bright. It could be okay. What about this red one? Too much. Sometimes ties have really broad stripes, so you might use just a part of the tie. But I'm getting closer here. I really like how that one works. But this doesn't look like a main actress. This one would be better. I love that. My grandma loved paisleys, so I have a definite love for paisleys as well. So these two are looking really good together. And I like that. How about this one? Perhaps. So I would probably eliminate these three and start to play with these. There's some rules. If in doubt, leave it out, and less is best. And stop before you think you're done.